Hi, everybody, and good morning. Saturday, May 16th, 2020. Uh, there's an apocalypse joke in there somewhere. Alright, so this video, we got a bunch of random stuff again. And I guess I should warn everyone that random stuff is basically what you're going to see from now until the end of time. It's just, look, I'm bouncing all over the place because um, I'm scared of commitment. It's pretty much the only thing that I can say. So it's things like, oh, it's time to do the blah, blah, blah. I'm like, that's a big step. Do I really want to get into it? Uh, So I waffle a lot, but that's okay. Everything's fixed. Starting this video, we're actually going to have a very interesting unveiling, an unboxing. See that big box there? Well, in a little bit, you're going to see what's inside. It's very, very special. Very special. So one of the things that we're going to do today is we're going to finish riveting down the aft decks. We're doing a little work. You can see I've still got the circuit breaker stuff there. Breaking down some new... Or I guess I'm cleaning up. Yeah, seems about right. Oh, that's right. I'm cleaning up after doing the antenna doublers that we saw last week. Ta-da! Sorry, I wish there was a little more fanfare. So yeah, what's in that box? Landing gear. So there are the wheels from Behringer Aero. Right, this is a popular aftermarket replacement for the standard landing gear that you get with the Vans kit. And it's fantastic. So as you can see, those are the two mains. Now, I'd gotten the front landing wheel previously. You can buy the entire replacement kit at once through Spruce, but since I was nowhere near needing them, I just went ahead and purchased them separately. Here I divert my attention for a little bit because our recycling bin is just insane. The stamp dance. Look, it's quarantine time, folks. Come 5 p.m. on any given day, you get a bunch of pilots together, and there's gonna be mixers, 6 feet apart, but still mixers. All right, so you can see there that the entirety of the spoke. So there's basically that's the axle going through the tire, right? And there's one nut that holds it in place, and then a big cotter pin. Great. When you take that out, the entire thing comes out, right? So that's the brake rotor, that's the brake calipers, everything comes off. Well, technically, from your point of view, just the tire would come off, right? So the top side of that assembly there is where that attaches to the main landing gear. Right, so you take the nut off, and then the whole thing can come off, which is really awesome, as you can see there. Now, you might be thinking, well, gosh, just one nut? Is that all that's really secured with? Yes. Now, that's not, at the moment, yes. But if you saw that brake rotor, it's made into many different spokes. In fact, let me see if I can find a picture of it. Okay, so here we are. So that is the close-up of the mechanism. So you can see the rotor, you can see the drum, you can see where the brake, line comes in. Now, that brake rotor, you see all the little adjustment nuts. That thing actually gets safety wired into place, right? So that nut does hold everything in, but then you safety wire the brake rotor in place along the entire perimeter of it, which is really cool. Matthew, our mechanic's there to check it out. He's very impressed. Actually, these things are really awesome. Again, for those that need to know the benefits, right? Tubeless tires, sealed bearings, loss of weight, like 10 pounds. Here I am putting the rest of the aft deck in. So, funny thing, I get the aft deck back from my powder coaters, as I described. Thing is, I kind of ran out of pop rivets, so I had to order a bunch more. I basically just pop riveted every other one, but man, doesn't that look good? Damn, that looks good. So yeah, landing gear's in, freaking awesome. Aft deck's on, freaking awesome, and now looks like I'm going to finish up the circuit breaker and spray some pledge on it, apparently. All right, so that's the informative video of the week. In the next video, we're just going to be working on the circuit breaker board and maybe some rants. So see you soon.